Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my creamy blackened shrimp Alfredo. Let's get to it. This dish came together so easy and so quick, and it was so packed with flavor. Stick around. So to my shrimp, I'm going to add a little bit of oil just to get the spices moving. And here is my spice blend. I only add some of it to the shrimp, not all of it at all. And I'm going to mix this until everything is well combined and everything is coated with the spice mix. To my hot pan, I'm going to melt some butter. Once my butter is about melted, I'm going to add in my shrimp. Now I'm going to cook my shrimp for 2 to 4 minutes on each side. So here I am flipping the shrimp over once it's been cooking for 2 to 4 minutes, depending on the size of your shrimp. All brown, I flip it over and cook the other side. Once my shrimp is all cooked, I will remove it from the heat and set aside. In a pot, I had some water that has been boiling with some salt, and I'm going to add in my noodles. I'm going to cook according to box directions. To the same pan I cooked the shrimp, I'm going to add a little bit more butter. I will add my grated garlic. Next, I add in my chicken stock, and I'm going to cook down a little bit. Then it's time for the heavy cream. I'm also going to add a little bit of the spice, the blackened spice mix there as well. Just a little bit as well. And I'm going to mix this and cook it for a little bit. Next, I will throw in my Parmesan cheese. Mix it, and I'm going to let my sauce cook down and thicken. Once my sauce has thickened, I'm going to add in my pasta. Next, I will add in back my shrimp. This is it. This is what it looked like. It was quick, it was creamy, it was delicious. If you're ever in a hurry during the week, like I am, and you can do this for your family in like 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.